What's up, gang? Daniel from Daniel Dunlap Woodworks here, and today I'm going to be upgrading my Laguna P Flux 1 dust collection system from a 110 volt to 220 volt. Now before I do anything, and if you do this too, you're going to want to make sure that the machine itself is unplugged for safety. Now I've already got the right plug attached to the cord, so all we really have to do now is change out a circuit board behind here. So I'm up on top of the dust collector now, and one of the things you have to do is you have to take this cover off right here. And there's a diagram on the inside that shows you how to rewire this. It's pretty simple. We're gonna do that now. Also, make sure the machine is still unplugged when you're doing this part. And there we go, working like a charm. I just gotta reprogram the remote. That's a whole nother video. Thanks for watching.